Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to build a Docker image. So in the previous session, we have seen about SonarQube analysis. So I have added the catch error block. Otherwise, this stage will get failed, and due to that, rest of the stages also will get failed if we did not add the catch error, because the quality gate will report the status back due to that failure in the SonarQube. So now I have added the new stage called build Docker image, and here I'm just printing all the environment variable here, and in the next line it's just a simple shell script used for the building the Docker images. And this is the ACG hub is the Docker hub account, and using this simple solar system image name, and this will be the tag that we will be using for this image. So basically this is the git commit that it will take the latest commit as per this environment variable. So I'm going to commit this stage. Okay, and push the changes. Okay, I have also created the Docker file in this same location. We will be using the Alpine 3.17 image, and the work directory will be /user/app, and copy the package *.json to user app directory, and then we will be running the npm install command and copying the directory, and then we will be running this npm start. So okay, now let me go ahead and run the pipeline. So if I go here and click on build now, okay, let me use the open blue ocean. Okay, as you can see, the SonarQube analysis stage is failed due to the quality gate status report. Anyway, the stage it still continue because of the catch error we are using in the pipeline. And next stage, build Docker image. So here let us see the print env. These are the environment variable it would print. And here we are using the git commit, and this is the commit ID 7C3E. If we can go to the GitHub and refresh it, and this is the latest commit 7C3E5FA, and the same commit ID we are seeing here, and this is the build URL, and this is the node name. This is running on built-in. So these are all the environment variable which is available in the Jenkins. And next, Docker build. So here it is using the simple solar system name, and this is the tag for this image. Okay, and it is successfully built. Okay, and if you log into the Jenkins server also, you can see that this is the tag and this is the image, and this is the image ID. It is just about a minute ago. Okay, so that's all in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.